Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Winter is here, and with it comes that bone-chilling cold. We all know to bundle up. But have you ever thought about what you're leaving behind in your car? A freezing car can be a real minefield for some of your everyday items. Today, we're going to talk about 6 things you should absolutely never leave in your car when the temperature drops below freezing. Trust me, you'll thank me later. First up, and this one's a big one, your cell phone or any other electronic device with a lithium-ion battery. Think laptops, tablets, even those portable power banks. Extreme cold can seriously damage these batteries. It can reduce their ability to hold a charge, shorten their overall lifespan, or in the worst-case scenario, cause them to fail completely. You might find your phone just won't turn on until it warms up, and repeated exposure can cause permanent damage. So, always bring your electronics inside with you. It's a simple habit that can save you a lot of money and frustration. Next on the list might surprise you: canned foods. You might think they're sealed. What's the big deal? Well, many canned foods, especially things like soups or vegetables, have a high water content. When that water freezes, it expands. This expansion can break the can seal, allowing bacteria to get in and spoil the food. When it does, you might not even notice the seal is broken, which can be a serious health risk. So, if you've just done a grocery run, make sure to bring all the cans inside right away. Number 3 is medication. This is super important. Both prescription and over-the-counter drugs can lose their effectiveness if they freeze. The chemical composition of the medicine can change, making it less potent or even completely useless. Insulin, for example, is particularly sensitive to temperature changes. Liquid medications can also freeze and separate. Your health isn't something to gamble with. So always keep your medications in a temperature-controlled environment. Let's talk about beverages. Anything in a can or bottle, like soda, beer, or sparkling water, is a definite no-go. Just like with canned food, the liquid expands when it freezes. This can cause the can or bottle to warp, leak, or even explode. Can you imagine cleaning up a sticky soda explosion in your car on a freezing morning? No, thank you. It's a messy, sticky disaster waiting to happen. So finish your drink or take it inside. Number 5, musical instruments. If you play an instrument, especially a wooden one like a guitar, violin, or cello, leaving it in a freezing car is one of the worst things you can do. The extreme cold can cause the wood to shrink and crack. When you bring it back into a warm environment, the rapid change in temperature and humidity can cause even more damage, like warping or finish checking. These repairs can be incredibly expensive. So always treat your instrument like the precious cargo it is and bring it indoors. And finally, number 6, aerosol cans. Things like hairspray, deodorant, or even spray paint. The label on almost any aerosol can warn you to store it in a cool, dry place and to avoid extreme temperatures. That's because the cold can affect the pressure inside the can and mess with the propellant. While they're more likely to explode in extreme heat, freezing temperatures can still damage the can or the nozzle, making it unusable. It's just not worth the risk. So there you have it, 6 things you should always rescue from your car during a cold snap. It's all about being mindful and protecting your belongings and your health. Stay warm out there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.